Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn searching. Searching is a process of finding the position of checking the existence of a specific element within a collection of data, like an array, list, or database. So searching are two types. Number one is linear, and number two is binary search. So what is a linear search? Linear search is a sequential search algorithm that goes through each element of an array one by one to find a target value. Time and space complexity of searching. Uh, for best cases ON, an average ON. For worst cases ON, and space complexity also ON. So when to use linear search? If array is unsorted and small data sets, and it has small data set searching. If you want to search in linked list, so you can use linear search. Simplicity na simplicity is a priority. So linear search, if you want to search like 78 from this list, then you need to find out where is 78. I mean at what and in which index 78 is located. So you need to go through from index 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see here found out we found out at index 4. 78 is at index 4, so like that. Uh, we have one function define linear search. So these are the parameters like in array and x equals to a target, like x equals to 78. An array is the input for I in the range length of array. If array I equals to x return 1, otherwise return minus 1. Okay, so this is the linear search. We need to find out target in a array or list, or any related to the linked list. And number two, binary search algorithm. So binary search is efficient algorithm used to find the position of the target value in sorted array. It works by dividing the search interval in half repeatedly until the element is found or the interval become empty. So search like here you can see this is the example searching for 44. So we need to divide it into a half part. Divide array into a halves. Okay. So here you can see four index in right side, and other four indexes in left side. So after that we need to find out the element 19. Okay, after after divide array into two half, we need to find one element which located in center, and one right half is checked because 44 greater than and 19. So here you can see element is found at index 5, this one. We need to go right side because 44 is greater than 19. So condition to use binary search, the array data must be in sorted order. You must be able to access elements in constant term like array, not in linked list. So working of binary search, like you need to find out middle index and compare the target with the middle index. Target means element or a number which I will need to find out in our array. So compare the target with the middle element. If it is equal, then we need to return index. If it is smaller, then we need to search in the left half, and if it is larger, then we need to search in the right half. Repeat the step until found or bound or closed. So you can see here example array equals to 2 comma 5 comma 8 12, 16, 23, 38, 56, 72, 91. So target equals to 23. So binary search would narrow down like a middle index equals to 20. I mean middle equals to 23 match found. Okay, so here you can see index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At index 5, we found out middle equals to 23. Okay, so implementation in Python. So binary search are also two types: iterative binary search and recursive binary search. It is search algorithm for sorted array that repeatedly halve the search range using a loop instead of recursion. Okay, so here we can use while loop instead of recursion. So until the target element is found out or the range become empty. So define here you can see this is the function binary search here. Uh, we took parameters array low means lowest parameter and high means high value like in array and and index of the array and lower means low and x is the target. So by low is less than equals to high, then we calculate the middle index. Middle equals to low plus high minus low divided by 2. Okay, if the element is found at middle, so if middle array equals to x, return middle element. Okay, if the element is greater than, if the element is greater than such I mean if the element is uh, greater from the target, then search in the right half. Okay, so here you can see L if array of middle index is less than x and low equals to middle plus 1. If the element is smaller, search in the left half else. So here you need to check else condition high equals to middle minus 1 and return minus 1. So array equals to 2, 3, 4, 10, 40. So x equals to 4. This one is our target. So result equals to binary search. This one is our function. So array 0. 0 means low. This one and high means length of array. Okay. So this is a high length of array minus 1 and this one is x. X value is already 10. So print element is present at index. So result if the result is not equals to minus 1, so it's not else not present. So result is present at index 3. So you can see here if you have array like this, array equals to 2, 3, 4, 10, 40. So here you x equals to 10. So low equals to 0 and high equals to 4. 4 or 40. 0, 1, 4. So middle equals to 0 plus 4 minus 0 divided by 2 equals to 2. So array of 2 equals to, I mean at next to array, the element is 4. So 4 is less than 10. So such right half equals to, in right half low equals to 3. Low equals to 3 and high equals to 4 in right side. So after that I need to find out middle again. So middle equals to 3 plus 4 minus 3 divided by 2 equals to 3. At index 3 equals to 10. So found at index 3 x equals to 10 and found on return 3. Recursive binary search. Recursive binary search is a search algorithm that finds the position of the target element in a sorted array by repeatedly dividing the search interval in the half using recursion. So recursively binary search. This is the function. This is the argument array low, high, and x. So if high greater than equals to low, base condition check if the search space is valid. Middle equals to low plus high minus low divided by 2. Calculate the middle index. Okay, here. If array of middle index equals to x, If the element is found outer the middle, return the middle here. If array of middle index is greater than x, if the element is smaller, search in the left half and return binary search array low middle minus 1 comma x. Else if the element is larger, else return binary search array middle plus 1 high x. Else return minus 1 if element is not found. These are for the example for getting result. Array x target value, this is a function, this is the object of the function, and here this is a array, this is a low, this is the high, and this is the target. So element is present at index 3. We got this result. So dry run, you can see here low equals to 0, high equals to 4, 0 plus 4 divided by 2, middle index equals to array of 2. Got 4, so 4 is less than 10, so search right half, calculate the binary search. Array 3, 4, 10, second call binary search, array 3, 4, 10, low 3, high 4, middle 3 plus 4 divided by 2 equals to 3. Here you can see we got 3. From backtracking, the result call returns back to the first call, and finally result equals to 3. Final element is present at index 3. Application of search in database, optimization problem, machine learning, computer graphics, uh, version control system. Okay, these are the time complexity and space complexity. Um, Best case is O(n) for both time and space complexity, and average and best case is 0 log n and for time complexity, and 0 1 is for space complexity. Okay guys, bye bye, take care, tata.